we are bringing you the latest flagship for the youth, Realme 3 Pro. Thank you. Now, I will just hand over to my product manager. Please welcome our product manager, Nidhi, on the stage to make it to the speed.
Hello everyone. I'm Nidhi and I'm the product manager for Realme India. We developed prototypes and collected a lot of feedback and finally got what resulted in the Realme 3 Pro. The Realme 3 Pro will be available in 3 color variants: the Nitro Blue, the Lightning Purple, and the Carbon Grey, each unique in its own way. This is the all-new Realme 3 Pro, where speed awakens. Now let's move to the front of Realme 3 Pro. It will have a 6.3-inch dewdrop display featuring a high screen-to-body ratio of 90.8% and having FHD Plus resolution. At the same time, Realme 3 Pro will also be equipped with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which will be more toughened and durable. Now let's talk about some real power. With Realme 3 Pro, we will be bringing you the excellent performance chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 710. First of all, the 710 is the first chipset to bring the 10nm process technology from the 800 series to the 700 series. This new architecture does not only make your phone have faster processing, but also gives you much higher power efficiency. So overall, we chose the Snapdragon 710 so that it provides you the right combination of process technology, CPU, GPU, AI, and ultimately gives you super fast, lag-free, and flagship level experience. Let's show you some benchmarks now of the graphic performance, which is the most essential factor you should consider for buying a gaming phone. We believe that you can see from this that Realme 3 Pro easily beats any other phone in this segment and is the best gaming phone in this segment. To further improve the performance and user experience, we also have the next generation of HyperBoost optimization. With HyperBoost, there are 2 new optimizations called the Touch Boost and Frame Boost, who enhance the touch control and frame rate respectively. With Touch Boost, the response time for character movement in heavy loaded games is 16.2% faster. Especially in games like PUBG, while you're using your telescopes to aim at your enemies, the response time is 21.6% faster. Here is a video that shows you this magic. You can see this is a comparison of ColorOS 5 and 6 with HyperBoost 2.0, and you can see how well the Touch Boost works for this phone. Apart from Touch Boost, Frame Boost is also been optimized to give you much better graphics like no one else. It detects heavy loaded scenarios and then boosts the processor at a high frequency to keep the frame rate at a high and stable level. Overall speaking, the Frame Boost improves the frame rate by 38%. To further improve the gaming experience, Realme 3 Pro also improves on the gaming audio experience. We have changed the location of the speaker to the bottom right. This has been done so that it does not get blocked by your hands while gaming. But for gaming, isn't a big battery absolutely necessary? Yes, with Realme 3 Pro, we are bringing a massive 4045 mAh battery, which is 15.6% higher than our previous Realme 2 Pro. Realme 3 Pro also supports the CABC technology that increases your battery life up to 10%. So Realme 3 Pro will come with VOOC 3.0. A 20-watt charger inside the box. Yes, my friends, it will be available inside the box with the phone when you buy it so that you don't have to spend any extra penny just to buy the charger. With VOOC 3.0, we promise you that with 10 minutes of charging, you can click 1,000+ pictures, watch one full movie, play PUBG's 3.5 rounds, or even talk on the phone for more than 5 hours. This is how good VOOC 3.0 really is. Well, now comes my favorite part, the camera. The Realme 3 Pro's rear camera will have a 16-megapixel primary shooter with a Sony flagship sensor IMX519. It has a fixed pixel size of 1.22 micron and a large aperture of 1.7, the best in this segment. Now, as we introduced in Realme 3, Realme 3 Pro will feature the new and improved nightscape mode to give you the perfect pictures in the low light conditions. The magical Chroma Boost is also here, which is the one step from Master Shots. The enhanced Chroma Boost can improve the dynamic ranges and the colors in a better and more natural way, like you can see in this picture. Well, this is not it when we talk about the camera of Realme 3 Pro. For our users who want a higher resolution image, we have the Ultra HD mode in Realme 3 Pro. You can shoot a 64-megapixel picture in this mode. This can be done by multi-frame synthesis technology. But please note that this is not just copy-pasting pixels on 4 photos. Our Ultra HD optimizes 4x real pixels to produce outstanding pictures. For the first time in any Realme smartphone and in any smartphone in this segment, Realme 3 Pro will feature slow motion at 960 FPS. Now you can record the world in detail when it slows down by 32 times. Speaking of video shooting, yes, Realme 3 Pro supports 4K resolution and EIS anti-shake function to give you smooth and natural videos. Well, now it's time to move to the selfie camera. Realme 3 Pro will also be a selfie pro. The front camera is upgraded to a 25-megapixel camera with an aperture of 2.0.
Anyways, you won't find anything cheaper than this. But let's cut the crap. No jokes now. I'll come to the final price. The price for Realme 3 Pro 461 is going to be 13,999. And price for 6GB, 128GB would be 60,999.